Hi, and welcome to another lesson in our SOLIDWORKS training tutorials. In this lesson we're going to do exercise 2, the profile center mates. So let's get into it. So if you open up the extension assembly, and it's found in the H folder in exercises of lesson 1. So using the mate component, we're going to select advanced mates, and we're going to do profile center then, and if we select that face and this face, just flip the mate alignment and accept that. Well, sorry, just don't forget to lock the rotation before you do that. And then select OK on that. And then if we do again another profile center, this time if we select this face and this face, and just take off lock on that and click OK. And if we line up use standard mate, make that face and that face parallel, and then another little advanced mate using the profile center, selecting that face, and again switch the mate and just rotate it until you get the view that you're looking for, which is that one. And we can click OK on that. You see that's fully defined and can't be moved then. So nice and simple extensions assembly. I really appreciate it if you could give this video a little like, and if you could subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, that'd be really great as well. See you next time.